Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on my Instagram I had taken a poll asking y'all if y'all want to see the classic Valentine's soft glam makeup look or a bold and vampy anti-Valentine's makeup look. I honestly wanted to do the anti-Valentine's makeup look, but then I still wanted to ask you guys. The results of the poll were so close, you guys. I checked after one day, the anti-Valentine's makeup was a little more than the Valentine's makeup. So I was like, okay, yeah, fine. After 2 minutes, I checked again and they both were equal. And finally, the Valentine's makeup look was a little more. So it was a tough competition. So I thought, why not do both? So in today's video, I have done the anti-Valentine makeup look, and the next video is gonna be the classic soft glam Valentine's makeup look. This is the anti-Valentine's makeup look. Honestly, I love this look so much, guys. It gives me that I'm the bad girl vibe, and I totally love that. I feel this overall look speaks a lot about self-love and how important it is to be just who you are and just be the sassy bad girl if you want to. So in this look, I have kept my eyes and my lips as the main focus. Yeah, I wish I had a black lipstick that would go perfectly, but then I didn't have one, so I just managed with a purple one. As you can see, everything is burgundy and colors of purple, and I love purple, guys. I think anyone can carry this look really well if you have the confidence to carry it. And I don't like my intros to be like a minute or two long. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Also guys, before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So with that, let's get right into the video, you guys.
To start off, I'm gonna use the Jojoba facial oil since I want a dewy base. I'm just gonna apply a few drops on my face and then just massage it into my skin. You can also use argan oil or any other facial oil. Next, I would be using the Insight Primer to prep my skin for makeup. Since we are going for a heavy look, I'm gonna be color correcting, but I'm just gonna use a tad bit of it and I'm not gonna go overboard with that. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade orange and green respectively. Now you've got to take a concealer brush and blend everything in. The orange corrector is gonna cancel out any darkness under your eyes or any pigmentation, and the green color corrector is just gonna cancel out any redness that has been caused due to acne or anything of that sort.
I'm gonna be taking my Sephora foundation and mixing it with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you're following me for a while now, you'll know that this is my favorite combination, and this is gonna give me a matte look with a hint of dewiness. This foundation is matte and the Sephora foundation is nice and dewy, and that's the reason I love it. The combination of these two is perfect for my skin because the Fit Me one is slightly lighter and the Sephora one is slightly darker. So I'm just gonna mix these two and apply it on my face. I'm sure this is gonna be my favorite for like a very long time. You can also go in for full coverage foundations, but I prefer medium.
I'm just gonna be using a flat brush to apply the foundation on my face, and then I'm gonna be using a buffing brush to buff everything in and give it a more natural look. Don't forget to drag the foundation to the neck since it's gonna make your makeup look more even.
By the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lips first because you know your lips should be well hydrated before makeup, right?
And in case you apply a liquid matte lipstick, that won't become
Next,
patchy.
I'm just gonna be using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm in the shade medium. This is a very nice concealer, and you just need to rotate it like this and the concealer oozes out. I've been using this for quite a while now, and trust me, this is my favorite.
I'm gonna be applying very little concealer and I'm not gonna be going overboard, and if you want, you can also apply it on your high points.
So once I'm done, I'm gonna be taking my flat top brush again, which I used for my corrector, and I'm gonna be blending it out.
I've also applied a tad bit of the concealer on my eyelid to prep it for the eye makeup. This is also gonna make the eyeshadows pop.
Alright, so I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender.
I'm just gonna blend everything in so that it doesn't look way too over the top. Make sure to touch up on the under eye because in case there are any creases, you can blend that in.
So we are going for these sharp cheekbones right here, so it's important that we cream contour. So I'm gonna be using this one right here. I hope you all can see. So I'm gonna be taking the same foundation brush and I'm gonna be contouring my face.
I've gone ahead and contoured my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose.
I'm just gonna be taking this brush and blending out the contour. Up next, I'm gonna be taking my Wet n Wild palette and I'm gonna be taking the powder shade from here and I'm gonna set my face using this.
First, set your under eyes and all the places you tend to crease the most, and then drag it down to your entire face. To set the cream contour, I'm gonna be using this powder contour by Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna be applying it to all the places I contoured earlier, and also I'm gonna be dragging it slightly towards my forehead.
You don't have to take too much contour at once, guys. You can just add a little bit and keep building it up until you're satisfied. Makeup is all about patience.
Since it's a bold and vampy look, we want our cheekbones and jawline to be sharp and well accentuated.
For my blush on, I don't want to go in with something very heavy. I just want that tad bit of color. It's okay to avoid a blush on for this look, but I just want a tad bit of color. It's not a very soft look, so it's completely okay to avoid a blush on here.
Make sure you don't go overboard with your blush on and keep it very natural.
I'll just finish my eyes and get back to my face. So I have this really old palette and I don't know why, but I'm loving the shade right here. The palette is really dirty, but this shade is really pretty. So I'm gonna be using this nice wine or plum shade. So I'm just gonna take a tad bit of that, dust off the excess and start building it.
So this shade goes on my crease, and I'm also gonna drag it a little above my crease, and I'm gonna keep building up the color so that I get a nice intensity and at the same time it doesn't look too harsh.
I'm gonna repeat this one more time just to get a little more intensity.
This shade wasn't as pigmented as I expected it to be, but it was still fine. It was looking good, so I didn't mind that.
Up next, I'm gonna be taking my Nykaa palette and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. This purple shade.
I'm just gonna be applying the shade in my crease. I'm not gonna be taking it above, and then I'm just gonna be building it up slowly because this is what is gonna give me a gradient effect. If you want to know the details of the products I've used, you can check the description box below. So I'm taking a lot of time to blend everything in, guys. So you want to take short circular motions and you just want to blend everything in.
So again, I'm just gonna build it up a little more. Next, I'm gonna be taking this burgundy shade from the palette and I'm just gonna apply it on my outer corner. I'm gonna be taking a flat brush and I'm gonna be taking this shade from here. It's a kind of a purple, I suppose, so I'm just gonna be using it on my lid. Well, it's good, but it's not that bold. So after this, I'm gonna add this metallic shade from this palette and apply it.
If you weren't able to see the color, it's a white metallic shade, so you can use that shade from any palette to create the look.
I'm gonna build it up a few times. I'm gonna take the burgundy again and I'm gonna smoke out my outer corner again.
Now I'm just gonna be dragging the burgundy to my lower lash line. I've also gone ahead and added a little bit of black on my lower lash line just to make it look a little more intense. Keep building it up until you are satisfied. Next, I'm gonna be applying some kajal on my waterline, and also I'm gonna be using the same kajal to tightline my eyes. I have used the kajal pencil only halfway up till the center of my eyeball. Now I'm gonna be taking a black eyebrow pencil and I'm slightly gonna be filling in my brows, and I'm just gonna try to make them look a little bold. I have got thick eyebrows already, so I'm just gonna be filling it in and slightly shaping them. After you're done with filling your brows, just take a spoolie brush and comb your brows in an upward direction and then shape them properly. Now all I'm gonna do is apply a wing eyeliner. Do let me know if you want a detailed video on eyeliner or the different ways to apply eyeliner. Next, I'm just gonna be coating my eyelashes with a thick coat of mascara. You guys should really give Maybelline Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara a try, because this mascara is so good, you guys. From the time I started using this, I've not gone towards any other mascara. You guys really have to give this a shot, because this is the best drugstore mascara I've ever tried. A lot of times we tend to avoid our lower lashes, but that's not very appealing, guys. So please do not forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes. I just realized that applying kajal only halfway doesn't look bold enough, and it really doesn't go well with this look, so I'm gonna take it all the way till my inner corner. Now I'm gonna be taking the highlighter shade from the Savannah Colors blush palette, and I'm gonna be applying it on my inner corners and my brow bone. This is gonna make your eyes look really bold and nice. Make sure you use something flashy like a highlighter and not something subtle. Now I'm gonna be contouring my nose with the help of a blending brush. You might not wanna skip on nose contour for this look. Up next, you just wanna highlight your cheekbones and all of your high points. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using a purple lip liner first. I'm gonna be lining my lips and then filling it in with the same lip liner. I wanted to go in with something black, but then I didn't have a black lipstick, so I'm gonna be using purple. But in case you have black, make sure you use the black one. I have a couple of purple shades which I'm gonna show you all. So this is a nice burgundy-ish shade, and this is a nice lavender shade. You can go for this as well if you want a little lighter color. I also have a darker purple over here, and this is from Lakme 925, and this is what I was supposed to use initially, but then I'm not really a fan of this, so I decided to go with the first one. And with that, we complete our look.
For this video, guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope you like this makeup look right here. I really hope you try this out at home if you want to do an anti-Valentine's makeup look. Trust me, I'm loving this makeup look. And if you like this makeup look as much as I did, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, I'll see y'all super soon with another video. Until then, bye!